So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to sell on TikTok Shop, even if you're starting from absolute scratch. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've been hearing people talk about TikTok Shop, but you still feel a bit confused on how it actually works, this video is going to simplify everything. A lot of beginner sellers think success on TikTok Shop comes down to finding the perfect product, but honestly, that's only part of it. TikTok Shop is really a content platform first and a shopping platform second. The people making sales right now are the ones who understand how to create videos that stop people from scrolling. The good news is that you don't need a huge following, expensive equipment, or a giant ad budget to start. Some of the biggest beginner wins on TikTok Shop are happening from accounts with very small audiences because TikTok pushes content based on engagement, not follower count. By the end of this video, you'll know how TikTok Shop works, how to set up your store, how to find products, and how to create content that actually converts into sales. So let's get into it. Now, TikTok Shop works very differently from platforms like Amazon because people are not opening TikTok with the intention of shopping. On Amazon, somebody searches for a product they already know that they want. On TikTok, somebody is scrolling for entertainment and then suddenly discovers a product through a video. That's why TikTok Shop is so powerful. The content itself creates the demand. A person might not even realize they need something until they see it solving a problem in a short video. That impulse buying behavior is what makes TikTok Shop such a huge opportunity right now. And the numbers behind it are massive. TikTok Shop has exploded over the last couple years, especially in the US. More brands, creators, and small businesses are moving onto the platform because the reach potential is still huge compared to older e-commerce platforms. The biggest thing to understand is this: on TikTok Shop, your videos matter more than your storefront. Now, the first step is creating your TikTok seller account. So what you want to do is go ahead and use our exclusive link down in the description below and begin the registration process. You will need a government issued ID, business information if you have it, a bank account for payouts, and then basic contact details. Once you're approved, you'll gain access to the Seller Center dashboard. This is where you can manage products, orders, shipping, creator partnerships, analytics, and then your overall shop performance. After that, you'll want to connect your TikTok account directly to your shop. This step is extremely important because it allows you to tag products directly inside your videos. Somebody watching your content can tap the product, tag, and buy immediately without leaving the app. That low friction buying experience is one of the biggest reasons TikTok Shop converts so well. Once your account is connected, you can start listing products. When creating a product listing, focus on three things: your title, your images, and your pricing. Your title should clearly explain what the product is while naturally including searchable keywords people might type into TikTok search. Your product images should be clean and easy to understand. Even though TikTok is video first, buyers still look at product photos before purchasing. Pricing matters too, of course. Lower ticket products usually perform best on TikTok Shop because the platform thrives on impulse purchases. Products in the $10 to $50 range tend to convert much more easily than the expensive products. The easier it feels for somebody to buy quickly without overthinking it, the better. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is choosing products based on what they personally like instead of what performs well on video. The products that win on TikTok Shop are usually visually satisfying, easy to demonstrate, and instantly understandable. Think about products that create a transformation, solve a visible problem, or produce a satisfying result. This is why categories like beauty, skincare, home organization, kitchen gadgets, cleaning tools, and wellness products tend to dominate the platform. A good TikTok Shop product should answer yes to a few questions. Can you show it working in the first few seconds? Does it solve a problem quickly? Is it visually interesting? Would somebody understand why they want it almost immediately? If the answer is yes, it probably has potential. One of the easiest ways to research products is directly inside TikTok Shop itself. Look at trending products, viral videos, and products with high order counts. Pay attention to what types of videos are generating engagement because that tells you what kind of content the algorithm likes pushing. Let's talk about content strategy because this is where most beginners can completely fail. They spend all their time building the shop and almost no time learning content. TikTok Shop is powered by short form video. If your videos are boring, the product usually will not matter. The first 3 seconds of your video are everything. That's when TikTok decides whether people are interested enough to keep watching. If viewers instantly swipe away, the platform stops pushing the video. If people continue watching, TikTok distributes the video to more users. That means your hook matters more than almost anything else. Strong hooks usually create curiosity, emotion, or a problem the viewer relates to. For example, I wish I found this sooner is stronger than here's a cool product. This fixed the most annoying thing in my kitchen is stronger than kitchen organizer review. The goal is making somebody stop scrolling long enough to become interested. There are a few video styles that consistently perform well for TikTok Shop beginners. The first is the problem solution format. You show a frustrating problem, then immediately show the product solving it. These videos work because viewers instantly recognize themselves in the problem. The second is in the before and after format. This works especially well for cleaning products, beauty products, organization products, and anything involving transformation. The visual contrast alone creates engagement. The third is authentic reactions or demonstrations. People trust videos that feel real. Overly polished advertisements usually do not perform as well on TikTok because users want content that feels natural and relatable. One important thing to know is that you don't have to show your face if you don't want to. Hands-only demonstrations, voiceovers, screen text, and close-up product clips can all work extremely well. A lot of successful TikTok Shop pages are completely faceless. Now, how often should you post? Honestly, consistency matters so much more than perfection on TikTok. A lot of beginners overthink every single video and end up barely posting anything. The accounts growing fastest are usually posting consistently and testing different ideas over and over again. Aim for at least 3 to 5 videos per week when starting. And honestly, some of the best performing TikTok Shop videos look very simple. They're not cinematic productions. They're quick, clear, and easy to understand. TikTok rewards the content that feels native to the platform. You also want to tag your product in every relevant video so viewers always have a direct path to purchase. Another huge advantage sellers have is AI content tools. You no longer need advanced editing skills to create good content consistently. Tools like CapCut can automatically generate captions, cut clips, and create edits quickly. Opus Clip helps turn longer videos into short-form content. Submagic makes captions and editing faster for beginners. These tools dramatically reduce the time it takes to create content, which is important because volume matters on TikTok. If you want to check out any of those tools that I just mentioned, we do have exclusive links down in the description below. The faster you can test different hooks, products, and content styles, the faster you can figure out what works. One of the most powerful features inside TikTok Shop is the Creator Affiliate Program. This allows creators to promote your products in exchange for a commission on every sale that they generate. So instead of creating all the content yourself, you can have multiple creators making videos about your product at the same time. Inside Seller Center, you can set commission percentages and invite creators to collaborate. A lot of brands grow extremely fast this way because creators already understand how to make TikTok style content that actually converts. Smaller creators are often the best place to start because they usually have stronger engagement and lower collaboration costs compared to massive influencers. So just some things to keep in mind. A lot of beginners also ask whether they should dropship or buy inventory upfront. For most people starting out, dropshipping is the lower risk option. With dropshipping, a supplier handles storage and shipping while you focus on content and marketing. That allows you to test products without investing thousands of dollars into inventory immediately. The downside is lower margins and slower shipping times. But once you find a winning product, many sellers eventually move toward buying inventory or using fulfillment centers because faster shipping improves customer experience and reviews. But for beginners, dropshipping is usually the easiest way to learn the platform without massive upfront risk. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is running paid ads too early. Don't spend money on ads before proving the product works organically. Organic content tells you whether people actually want the product and whether your videos convert. Once you have successful organic videos, then you can scale using TikTok ads or GMV max campaigns. Paid ads work best when you already know the product and creative are converting naturally. Now, the biggest advantage of TikTok Shop right now is opportunity. The platform is still growing rapidly and there's still room for smaller sellers to gain traction without a massive budget. TikTok's algorithm also gives beginners a real chance to go viral quickly compared to older platforms where reach is much harder to get. Another advantage is how easy content creation has become with AI editing tools and creator partnerships. The downside is that TikTok Shop is not passive. You need to consistently post content, test ideas, and stay active on the platform. Sellers who stop posting usually stop growing. Margins can also get tight once platform fees, shipping costs, and creator commissions are added in, so understanding your numbers is really important. Again, if you want to get started with TikTok Shop, we do have an exclusive link down in the description below. With that link, you can earn up to $12,000 in new seller rewards. You can also get started for $0. So if you want to check it out, you can get started with your TikTok account, TikTok for Business, or your Google or Apple email. So that link is down in the description for you. If you're willing to consistently create content, test products, and learn the platform, TikTok Shop can absolutely become a real income stream. You don't need a huge audience, you don't need expensive gear, and you don't need to be some professional creator before starting. TikTok Shop rewards action and testing much more than perfection. If you want to get started, again, that link is down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting growing our channel really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you build real online income with practical strategies and honest guidance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.